So see who I have with me. This little girl and me spent such quality time in the morning. I mean, basically, there was this. I told now this attack from a cat. So ever since now, these people have become my roommate. She and the black one, and the black one is, like I said, is always too busy. So this little lady was next to me, and we must have spent some quality time. Like, must be like half an hour just sitting together like this. This lockdown is suddenly time. There is time for so many different things, right? But this little girl, she's just too adorable. Years from now, again, I'll be watching this video and thinking, what a sweet this thing. And I've just discovered that when someone or be it any species, they are very quiet and receptive. There's automatically so much love you feel for them. So in life, it's not really required to be very this super active type. It's nice to just spend time. She, unlike the black one which runs off, this little lady likes to be here and she's looking at the camera. She's a very intelligent rabbit, yeah, very intelligent, and I love spending time with her. And I will catch you all in my next video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.